Thank you for using the QR code to learn more about our visual representation honoring Dr. Elizabeth Yerxa. My name is Lexi Jansen, and I am speaking to you on behalf of myself and the Grand Valley State University Occupational Therapy Doctoral Cohort. We would like to take a moment to guide you through the meaning behind our selected imagery. This visual was created to represent the host of accomplishments Dr. Yerxa achieved throughout her life. Specifically, we aim to highlight Dr. Yerxa's upbringing and education, as well as her contributions to teaching and clinical work. Dr. Yerxa, or Betty, as she was known by those close to her, was born in Pasadena, California. She was one of three children to her father, Thomas, and her mother, Elizabeth. Dr. Yerxa attended several public schools in the LA Basin, consistently performing at the top of her class. Outside of school, she enjoyed spending time outdoors, including fishing and hiking. She discovered OT in a 17 magazine article, which led to what she referred to as an aha experience, as she found the profession to connect with her eclectic interests. We chose to represent Dr. Yerxa's love for the outdoors by including elements of nature in our imagery, as well as a photo of her hiking, which you will see here. You will also see images of a butterfly, flowers, trees, and mountains, here, here, and here, to reflect this. Dr. Yerxa made many contributions as a teacher throughout her career. She began in occupational therapy education at a college in Tacoma, Washington in 1955. In 1956, she joined Rancho Research Institute as the first OT instructor, which led to the development of education and research that would later shape the field. In 1971, she continued teaching at Boston University, while also earning her master's and a doctorate in education. Dr. Yerxa was invited as a visiting professor worldwide, including in Australia, England, Finland, Canada, and Sweden. We chose to represent Dr. Yerxa's contributions to teaching by incorporating a photo of her in USC regalia, which you will see here. We also included figures that contain question marks, writing, and analytics, here, here, and here, that are meant to depict her contributions to research. You will also see a figure of two minds sharing content here, which is meant to represent her time spent teaching worldwide and the imprint she has left on many minds of occupational therapists. Along with contributions as a teacher, Dr. Yerxa also made a plethora of clinical contributions. She is known as a founder of occupational science, which is now a field with over 100 doctoral graduates. She published influential works on the role of daily activities in health and life satisfaction, as well as time management. She advocated for individuals with disabilities. She was also an advocate for occupation and evidence-based practice, as well as the use of a client-centered approach. She strived to maintain the core values of the profession by placing autonomy and meaning over standard health treatment using a biomedical lens. Some of her most cited articles include those titled Health and the Human Spirit for Occupation, Occupational Science, A Renaissance of Service to Humankind Through Knowledge, and Occupational Science, A New Source of Power for Participants in Occupational Therapy. Dr. Yerxa was highly accoladed throughout her career. She served as the American Occupational Therapy Foundation president, as well as a member of the Research Development Committee and Academy of Research Charter. She was awarded the Eleanor Clark Slagle Lectureship Award, as well as the American Occupational Therapy Association Award of Merit. She is also considered to be one of the 100 influential people in occupational therapy by the American Occupational Therapy Association. She served as the American Occupational Therapy Association Vice President and Roster Fellow. She also earned an honorary doctorate degree from Thomas Jefferson University and the University of Exeter. We chose to represent Dr. Yerxa's contributions to occupational science by including images of individuals completing activities of daily living throughout our display. You will see those here, here, and here. We also chose to include individuals utilizing a cane and wheelchair to represent her dedication to helping individuals with disability, which you will see here and here. The merit badge, pictured here, is to highlight the awards she was given throughout her career, including from the American Occupational Therapy Association, whose logo is depicted at the bottom of the display here. It would be nearly impossible to name all of Dr. Yerxa's achievements and contributions throughout her career. We hope that this guided visual provided you with insight into the incredible life of Dr. Elizabeth Yerxa. As a cohort, we would like to extend our gratitude for all she has done for the past, present, and future of occupational science and therapy. Thank you for your time. This ends our presentation.